It's a 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Equal parts suave and stout, this multitasking Silverado is a powerful personality. It comes with all the amenities you need: auto-dimming rearview mirror, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather bucket seats, external memory control, automatic transmission, dual zone climate control, Bluetooth, AM/FM XM satellite radio, trailer hitch receiver, electronic shift on the fly, and Vortec engine. Edmunds.com states, powerful, comfortable, the Chevrolet Silverado 1500 is a prime choice for a full-size pickup. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At Metropolitan Ford, you'll always get a great experience and a great price. Stop in and see us today. We're conveniently located off Plaza Drive in Eden Prairie.